Hi, I'm so excited to bring to you today our very first video on YouTube. My name is Steven and I welcome you to Small Account FS Trader. Today's video is about what you should be doing with your last $35 trading in Forex Market in 2023. It may interest you to know that capital does not actually define your trading exploits. What is important is this is what you have and this is what you can do with it. Yes, because if you can actually know what to do with trading smaller accounts, you will really it will be a defining moment for you when you have bigger equity to trade. That aside, let's go in depth to our topic for today. The first thing I want to highlight is your strategy, not your capital. Your strategy is very key. Your strategy should tell you when to take a trade, when to exit a trade, how many pips should you be using for your stop loss, and how many pips should you be targeting for your take profit. Once we open our chart, the first thing we look out for is to look for rejection candles and doji candles. Rejection candles being hammer, being pin bar, being gravestone, whichever category they fall under. We just look for rejection candles and we look for doji candles. Why have we built our strategy around these two particular kind of candlesticks? One of the reasons is that at every major reversal in the market, everywhere you have good turnaround in the market, you will notice that probably you have not been paying attention. You will notice that one or both of these candles are always present. For instance, this is a rejection, this is a rejection, this is a rejection. It doesn't mean when you reject, you start buying or selling, but it draws us to the trade. This is what, when we see them, we now go inside to look at what is happening. This is one. All these are rejection. You could have grabbed those 20, 30, 40, 50 pips. This is a daily time frame. You find them here. So at every major reversal, there is one here. Doji rejection. So it's left for us to now go inward to look for the kind of opportunity if it's a buy or a sell. 80% times that there is a major reversal in the market, you will find one of those candles. Looking at my screen, you will see that I have a uniform color for all my candlesticks. Reason being that the market does not actually give preference to the color of your candlesticks. These are indicators. Yes, let me state this at this point. Your candlesticks are indicators. So when you start adding more indicators to this indicator that is already lagging, the candlestick is already lagging, is showing what price is actually doing in the real world. So, but the transactions are not immediate on your candlestick. So every broker has a way, they represent them. Then outside your trading plan, another thing again you should understand is the kind of broker you are using for your small account is very important. I'm using Xness. This is the one I use. And I recommend Xness. I will drop my link at the bottom of this video so you can register with them. One reason why I choose Xness over a lot of these brokers is that they provide us with minimum deposit of $10 and minimum withdrawal of $3. That's very interesting. These major currencies, they are good with tight spread. So that's one reason I would recommend them to us. Looking at my screen here, we've done some withdrawals. But I don't want to show to us that if you want to withdraw, for instance, you come here. Okay, you come to withdraw. This is what we do every week. I use my normal online banking. You see, this is the minimum. This is the minimum you can withdraw, $3. Based on this account now, this is the maximum I can withdraw. This is the minimum I can withdraw. If I put $3 for at this place now, what you see, this is today we've made I think we made on this account, I think we made roughly $6, if I'm not mistaken. So that's like 4,000 or something. I drop the pictures on our Telegram group so you see what we did. We just come in, get your $5, get your $10, all depending on what the market provides for you. You leave the market. So you can make this withdrawal. I can make this withdrawal now if I want to withdraw. But I'm not withdrawing because I have to wait in the end of the week to see how much I have gathered all through. So that's by the way. Get a good broker. Use a leverage of 1 to 200, 1 to 400, maximum 1 to 500. But I recommend for my students and those that have been trading with us, we use 1 to 200. Another thing you should understand when trading smaller account, trade micro lot size 0.01, maximum 0.02. If the trade goes against you, for instance, let's assume 0.01 and the trade goes against you, you don't usually feel the impact. Yes, if it goes in your favor, you will feel the impact. But if it goes against you, you will not really feel the impact. Let's say on an account of $35, an account of $50, an account of $100, you know, you have a loss of $3, for example. You still have a long, 3 minus 35, you still have $32 to carry on the next trade. Stick to smaller micro lot. That's the essence of me stressing on this. And another thing again you should understand is when you are in profit on a smaller account, the idea of you trying to add more positions to it, stop it. It's no matter how confident you are towards a trade, even if the trade is in your favor, you're already in profit, for example. The worst you can allow is lock in some profit and allow the trade to run. Rather than you trying to open more positions, that trade that is looking as if it's going up now, you don't know the force behind it. You don't know why it's going up, or you don't know if it's going up to come down. So you might just end up not only losing your profit, but losing a lot from your account. You cannot build your trading career on flipping accounts. It's very dangerous. It will affect you mentally. It will destroy your confidence over time. So stick to progress, stick to consistency, stick to what is feasible, what you can do tomorrow and do next tomorrow and develop on it. It comes gradually. Over time, your strength, your stamina will come up. Stick to your plan. If you want 30 pips, go for it. If the trade allowed for 50 pips, go for it. If the trade allowed for 40 pips, go for it. Whatever the trade allows for you, go for it. Don't overcomplicate issues. If you get out with $5 is something. In fact, when trading smaller account, you should also be aware that it's important you trade pairs that don't have widespread. For example, the major pairs, they don't have widespread on XNET. Your USD JPY. In fact, that's the best spread as far as I'm concerned in the forex market with my broker, USD JPY. You open your trade, the first thing you see is negative $0.08. Don't go and start adding pairs. When you open your trade, the first thing you see is a negative zero point 0.6, negative 0.2. Those things are not healthy for a small account. So you trade in major pairs, USD related pairs. Trading overall is a reflection of your personality. Why do I say so? I can't overemphasize this part, but it's not just buying and selling. It's not just open your chart, you look at something, okay, it's buying, I want to buy, or it's selling, I want to sell. Even if you're in profit, there are decisions you can make. Sometimes the market may not be close to your take profit, but you're already in profit. Based on what is happening or playing out in the market, you can say, let me live with this. Instead of taking 40 pips, let me take 20 pips. These are decisions you will have to make. Or you are in loss, the market has not gone into your stop loss, but you know that based on what is happening, the market might reverse, you will stay. Or based on what is happening, the market might continue going down, yet it hasn't got into your stop loss. You will even exit before the stop loss and accept the loss and move on and wait for another trading opportunity. Early this weekend I was making this video, I told us that uh, every weekend, like Fridays, after we've done all our trades, we want to see how much we were able to recover from the market, our profit. If we're in profit, we will try to make some withdrawals. If we're in loss, we also try to give a summary of our trades. So today is Friday. This account was a $15 account. This I credit them at the uh, early days of the market. $15 to see how far I can go with it. You can see this trade now. You see, these are these are not trial by error trades. These are not trial by error trades. As you can see, they all have stop loss, they have TP, you know. So this is what on this particular account, this is how much we could realize after taking all the trades for the week. We end up making $8.53. So we will make this withdrawal now. Then you can see it's a real account. It's a real account. We have another account also. For this particular account, we created it with $15 also. We could not do much. We had had a lot of losses also, but overall, we came out with $3.08 in profit. So I want to encourage us, for those of us who are trading smaller accounts, sometimes you might come up with, with big wins. Sometimes you don't come up with big wins. It's something that is very normal in the forex market. Let's see another account we also have. In this particular account, we created it with $14.97. That's what we deposited on Monday. You can see the dates. All the dates are inside. We made $6.13 from it. I think overall, from because we only created just three accounts, overall we made 17 point roughly $18. $18 on a micro lot size. You can see I'm very consistent with my lot size. I don't use more than 0.01, something that we keep the account safe. Should in case you can see we have some offsets. Sometimes the market just, and you can see my maximum loss is not the highest is $3. I think this 2.9 is the highest so far in all the accounts. I don't actually lose more than $3 per trade. If I have two of those losses in a day, that will be all for that day. So we'll be making withdrawals now on these accounts. So we'll go to our SNES app. So let's go there. So altogether, we've made a total withdrawal of 13,240 naira. That is $17.74. Total capital for this week trading was $44.97, which is around 33,560. In dollars was around $44.97. So this is how you go about trading small account. If you have big capital, quite all right. For a micro lot of 0.01, overall pip for that amount is a 177 pip. So in a week, that's something. So hopefully next week, let's see how far we can go. So stay tuned, stay disciplined, keep the blues coming. Please like, comment, and share. And until I come your way next time, remain blessed, keep winning, stay disciplined, stay controlled, have the overall mindset that trading is a reflection of your personality, and whatever that is not good for you, don't indulge in it. See you in our next video. Bye bye.